Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. Before we begin, there are a few things to keep in mind when installing a TOYOCONNECTOR light. First, make sure to perform the work with a room temperature of at least 10 degrees Celsius. In low temperature environments, the resin may become brittle and break. Installation starts by wrapping sealing tape around the threads on the nipple to prevent leaks and damage. Wrap the sealing tape about 7 times, starting with the second thread from the end. Next, attach the nipple to the equipment and tighten it with the appropriate tool. Over-tightening can damage the threads, so leave a gap of about 0.5 millimeters between the nipple and the equipment. Remove the cap nut and sleeve and pass the hose through. Marking the hose with a line in this step according to the appropriate hose insertion amount will ensure proper hose insertion. Next, insert the hose with the sleeve onto the hose nozzle on the nipple all the way to the base. Finally, to complete the installation, use a tool to tighten the cap nut so that there is no gap. Take care not to over-tighten, as doing so may damage the components. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe to and like the channel.